AUYSA Gems. Myself, my name is Chada Rajitha and I am from Karimnagar and I am working as a principal of an international English medium school from nursery to 10th class. I am being the person of this AUYSA since 10 years from the point its establishment. And today's session is I attended the AUYSA session, 5th session this is. So I attend all the sessions from starting onwards. Today's session is very beautiful and very useful to the students. So personally I am working as a teacher. So this session is very helpful and useful to my students to get the educational standards and to use their abilities 100%. So I am very thankful to the SP Maestro to he is explained very well how to use their affirmations, how to use their thoughts and how to apply their thoughts as the affirmations. So very thankful to the SP Maestro. So very thankful to the AUYSA team. That's it.